Hey everyone! Need an engineering laptop that won't crash during a massive CAD project? Today we're speedrunning the 5 best laptops for engineering students in 2026. Raw specs, no fluff, straight to the point. Let's go! First up, the heavyweight, the Lenovo ThinkPad P16 Gen 3. This is pure mobile workstation energy. You get a massive 24-core Intel Core Ultra 9275HX processor and an NVIDIA RTX Pro 2000 GPU. It's loaded with 32 gigabytes of RAM, a 1 terabyte SSD, and a super bright 500 nit 16-inch WUXGA display. If you want absolute crash-free stability for heavy SolidWorks assemblies or intense Abacus simulations, this is the gold standard. Next, the Asus ProArt P16. Thin, sleek, and ridiculously powerful. We're talking an AMD Ryzen AI9 HX370, an RTX 4060, and 32 gigabytes of ultra-fast LPDDR5X RAM. The killer feature? The 16-inch 4K AMOLED touchscreen. It is phenomenal for visualizing high-res building exterior cladding renders. Plus, the built-in Asus dial makes debugging your MATLAB scripts an absolute breeze. On a budget? The Acer Nitro V16 is your undisputed king. It packs an AMD Ryzen 5 240, an RTX 5050, with 8 gigabytes of GDDR7 VRAM, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a 512 gigabyte SSD. Everything runs flawlessly on a snappy 180 Hz 16-inch WUXGA display. It provides more than enough juice to easily crush first-year mechanical engineering courses and statics problem sets without breaking the bank. For the ultimate price-to-performance ratio, grab the HP Victus 16. It's rocking an AMD Ryzen AI 7350 processor and a dedicated RTX 5060 gaming GPU. It hits the perfect 32 gigabyte DDR5 RAM sweet spot, all displayed on a fluid 15.6-inch FHD 144 Hz screen. It provides massive GPU acceleration for your heaviest engineering projects, all wrapped in a professional-looking chassis. Finally, the beast, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i. Powered by the Intel Core Ultra 9275HX and an RTX 5070 Ti, it's a gaming laptop that moonlights as an engineering powerhouse. It has 32 gigabytes of memory and a jaw-dropping 16-inch 2.5K OLED 240 Hz display. Thanks to its advanced vapor chamber cooling, it easily powers through your most demanding simulations without throttling. 5 laptops, 0 excuses. Let me know in the comments which one you're taking to class this semester. Drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.